This was our third time loading the jet ski. We connected our winch cable to the very front of the trailer where we put the hinge at on the neck. This proved to be a little rough on the gear in the front of the trailer pulling in as it put pressure on it. After a few loads, we found that it was much more productive to connect it to the jet ski axle underneath the trailer and pull it in by the axle, thus taking their entire load off of the front of the trailer from the winch pulling down on it as it pulled the jet ski up the ramp.
How's it going? Huh? Well, just go slow. So this weighted pretty good. So I'll let here in just a second. I'm not sure. Like I say, yeah, we just gotta take our time with it. See what it does. Thanks. Okay. We did that. Let's see. Go ahead.
Another interesting fact, before you begin to winch your jet ski up into the trailer, lower your front gear to bring the nose of the jet ski down, otherwise your ride plate will drag coming in. You see me doing that right now. It took me several loads to actually get this down as part of my loading.
Try that. Slowly bring it. That orange thing? Pull it towards you, Candy. Towards you, grab the rope, pull it to you. This way. Like that.
Okay.
Do that. Okay, stop. Stop, stop. Okay. Let's see. This time your Peloton's in the way. Okay. Let it back out a little. More. Okay, keep going more.
Oh yeah, that's sweet.
More. Stop. Now come back in. You got it. Stop. You put your Peloton forward. Maybe too far back.
Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say I didn't think we made it that much.
Well, it's been a couple of months.
Yeah, it's cool. It's no big deal.
All right. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, draw it. No. Yeah. Keep going. Stop. Back out. Back out. Stop.
So this needs
Yeah,
to
hold
stay.
that. I'm gonna teach you that next time. I was gonna do it, but we're gonna do it too much trouble. All right, keep it coming. Keep it coming. Yeah, it's gonna hold it tight. Stop there. All right, good deal. Right on, man. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you came along. Cool. All right. I gotta go move some things around and get in the rest of the way. Wow. I'm surprised that one fit. We were really lucky it would work.
Well, the phone didn't work.
Yeah, that's the only thing that made it happen. Or it wouldn't go down. I recorded with my GoPro. I was going to put it on YouTube for people so they could check it out and give them ideas about how to. Well, have fun or probably just yellow. I told you all pretty fast one too.
This is better than it's
I'm
been.
going to level it. Give me a minute. It's just because it's leaning backwards.
Okay.
Okay, now see you next time. Figured out I had it right. Just walked in to see where I hit my head at.
Huh?
All I
Oh.
did was walk in and see where I hit my head on the thing. I said, that's
See,
right.
There's way more room. You can walk back here this time.
Well, it's not all the way in. Tell me, you see the doors won't shut right now.
Okay.
We just got to get it where the doors will shut this time. We're getting good at this. So let's just do just where the doors will shut. Since we're just killing time. Come on. Can you get back here?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Let me.
Still got some usefulness left in you, baby.
You what?
Push it over to the right.
No, I got it.
Yeah. Just fit it all together. That really didn't. It takes the longest thing is prepping, man. Getting prepped. I usually trust those little things, but I guess we will. Those little deals. And I'm pushing up against my light, you know what I mean? It never seems to work out. Oh, it is lovely. Grab me another one of those, would you? I got it right here. Whatever, yeah. It doesn't really matter. Oh, doggy. If you don't leave this door open, you won't get it open. If you push it over enough, you could. I'm not sure. I wouldn't try it. It'd be nice though, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Then we keep them bastard cats from getting loose. You know what I'm talking about? Let's see if we can. Did that break anything? Shit, look at that. Look at the door open and close. Oh, we rule their ass now. Oh yeah, baby. We ain't gonna be playing cat and mouse when we leave this time. Awesome. I got you, Blackie. Oh, I got you this time. Oh, I got you so good, my man. You're gonna hate me forever and ever. Amen. I love it. Little mean cat. I got you now, kitty. You're mine. I'm gonna start calling you Circumcision from now on, boy. I own you.